Haseyo Chaden D Shanda Vida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I'm unboxing my BoxyCharm for August 2018. I will leave all the information down below in the description about BoxyCharm. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I have not seen any spoilers about BoxyCharm for this month. The only thing I did was slit open the package and it says hello charmer, and it's got hashtag BoxyCharm with all their social media, so make sure that you follow them. I've been getting this box since January of this year, and it has been amazing. I'm so mad at myself for being late to the party and not subscribing to BoxyCharm a long time ago, because it's worth it. You get full-size products. It's $21 a month. You can pay for your subscription monthly, yearly, 3 months, every 6 months, and coming soon will be BoxyLuxe, which will be a bigger box. I cannot wait for BoxyLuxe. I'm totally signing up for that day one. Let's get started. All right, so with BoxyCharm, it comes with a card that looks like that there. And let me show you the back right quick. In case anybody's wondering, I have variation number 5. When you open up the card, the theme is Life of the Party. Right there, there's our theme. It says Live It Up. And that's a very nice picture there of some Boxy babes or influencers. Let's see here. Laura Lee is in here. All right. Awesome. Laura Lee is an influencer, YouTuber, beauty guru. Awesome, awesome channel. Awesome lady, too. And this was curated by, Laura Lee. It says it down there, curated by Laura Lee. And this tells you everything. Let me scale back a little bit. Hi. This tells you everything that is in the box for this month, along with the prices. All right, so I'll be referring to that when I am pulling out the products. I'm excited because I don't know anything that's in here. All right, let's start. All right, so from NCLA, I have received things from NCLA before. Excuse me. This is the bottle is clear. It says it's a treatment, so rich, vitamin E infused. Oh, it's cuticle oil. This is cuticle oil. And how much are you worth, cuticle oil? You are worth $18. So Rich cuticle oil. And I have So Rich Lollipop is the kind that I got, is So Rich Lollipop. I wonder if it smells like a lollipop. Excuse me, that was a nasty burp. I wonder if it smells like a lollipop. It does. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it comes with a little dropper like that. Oh, man. Ooh, that smells good. Wait a second. I'm going to put a little bit on my cuticles, I think. Wow. And it's just like a clear, a cuticle oil. Makes, softens up your cuticles, and everything. That smells awesome. Like I said, I've had things from NCLA before, but never this. Wow, that smell, I'm impressed. So far, that's my favorite thing. I am impressed. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, anyway, I wish I had smell-o-vision through my camera here. All right, let's continue on. Next up, we have from Bang Beauty. Now, I have heard of Bang Beauty before. That is what the packaging looks like on there. Let's see, what are you? You are a chocolate eyeliner. Okay, nice. So I'm going to take it that it's chocolate. It's probably brown. Here is the other side there. You can connect with them. And in case I didn't show you, here is the back. Kind of hard to see a little bit. Let's see here. What does this look like? It feels, like a heavy eyeliner pot. And it is. This is what it looks like, the packaging there. I don't want to blind anybody. Here's the back of it. It says chocolate gel eyeliner. Doesn't smell like anything. And that's the color of it right there. And it's nice and it's brown. This is nice. And it's nice to get a brown eyeliner instead of getting a black one. You know what I mean? Because, you know, even though I love black, I always get black, but it's nice to get like different colors like brown and things like that. And this color here is nice. I could probably use this for my eyebrows. Probably I can use a little bit of for my eyebrows, but this is nice. But it says to use, you can use this as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or to touch up your brows. Hey, told you that. This creamy chocolate tinted pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Yeah, I will definitely use this as a base. I can see myself using this also for my brows and as an eyeliner. So this is nice. I love when we get products that are multifunctional like this. So much fun. I love that. All right. Next thing, what is this? This is from Smashbox. Oh, so cool. And this is the Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette. And I got bold. This is what it looks like. And if I move, it's kind of like holographic and the mouth changes, as you can see. Isn't that awesome? All right, so I got the bold kind. This is what the other side looks like, by the way. And these are the colors. Can you guys see that? These are the colors in my palette. So again, I got the bold palette, which is awesome because I like bold and bright colors. This is worth $24. Let's see if I can open her up and see what she looks like. There are there are 6 colors in the palette. And it comes with, okay, so this was curated at the Smashbox Photo Studios in LA. That's what the card says there. And the other side of the card just says Smashbox on it. And this is what the palette looks like when it's taken out of the case. Here's the other side that tells you all of the colors. And then finally, when you open it up, it has a mirror and it comes with a brush. And these are the colors. That is nice. A lot of nice pinks and purples and berries in there. And you can always mix and match these colors to create other colors. So this is really, really nice. Doesn't smell like anything, but I like this. And I also like this because you can travel with this. Excuse me. Usually, lipstick palettes are really, really big and you can't really travel with them, but this is a nice size. So I like this a lot. And it comes with a brush. So that is awesome. I had no idea that we were getting this. So if I didn't say before, this was worth $24. So it's awesome. Excuse me. Got a nasty cough here. Next thing is something that is wrapped in this paper. And this is Party Animal. This is from Laura Lee Cosmetics in Los Angeles. And this is what it looks like in the package. Let me take it out of the package and show you. Come on out. So this is what that looks like. I like the packaging there. It says Party Animal. And there's the other side there. And this palette is cruelty free. And this is worth $19. And when I open this up, ooh, it comes with a mirror. There's a lot of bright colors in here. So this is very, very party themed. It looks like a party. Look at those colors right there. Those are the 6 eyeshadow colors. They are very bold and bright. The color in the middle here, this is bottoms up. It's not showing it on camera, but that is a bright pink. This right here is Drinks. This is orange. It's not showing on camera because my lighting is horrible, but that is orange. That one is a purple. That one is Hung Over. Karaoke is that blue, the dark blue here. Damage Control is the middle. And then It's a Party is that like neon yellow. This is a nice palette. Like I said, my camera is not doing it justice. These colors are nice. It reminds me of a really bright, a really bright palette. What was that name of that bright palette that Urban Decay came out with? I can't remember. It reminds me of that. And it also reminds me of like the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's got a lot of nice brights in here. And this is worth $19. So this is nice. I like that a lot. And then we got a couple more things. From Tarte, I have the Lifted Sweat-Proof Mascara. I've never heard of a sweat-proof mascara, but that's what it looks like. It is from Tarte Cosmetics. And it says right there it's sweat-proof. Does that mean waterproof, y'all? When it says sweat-proof, is that, I want to say that's waterproof. And it is also cruelty-free. I'm not going to, oh, and I got, the color I have is black brown. So I didn't get a black mascara. I have a mascara in black brown. I don't want to open this because I have so many, I have a mascara open right now that I'm using up. But this is what the packaging looks like, and I like the color of it. That is nice. It is it's black brown, and this is worth, how much are you worth? You are worth $23. Let me see if sweat-proof means waterproof. It is vegan and it is paraben free, I will tell you that. But it doesn't say waterproof. But I don't know. Y'all let me know if sweat-proof equals waterproof. I'm going to try this out and see though, because I'm interested in this black brown. It's awesome. Then last thing I got is from Wander Beauty. I have 3 baggage claim gold eye masks. That's what it looks like, and I have 1, 2, 3 of them you can see. Here's the other side, what that looks like. I love getting eye masks and things for my eyes. You guys know that. These right here are worth $13. All right? So these are nice. I like these. All right, my friends, that's everything in my BoxyCharm box for August 2018. Let's go ahead and recap. I'm so excited to have these right here from Wander Beauty. These are the gold eye masks. I cannot wait to use these. I have the sweat-proof mascara from Tarte. I can't wait to use this and try this out. I'm going to let you know how this works later on, and if sweat-proof equals waterproof. And if you know that answer, leave it down below if you tried this product before. One thing that still smells so good, oh my god, is from this NCLA, the cuticle oil in So Rich Lollipop. Oh my god, man, I can't wait to give myself a manicure. Let me tell you, my hands are going to be smelling like candy. Love it. From Bang Beauty, I have the chocolate eyeliner or eyeshadow base or eyebrow cream, because it's a triple threat and I cannot wait to use that. You can never have too many eyebrow products. From Smashbox, we have the Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette. I got the bold palette. Nice. This is a beautiful palette. I cannot wait to play with this and travel with it. Finally, a small enough palette to travel with. That's a lipstick palette. And then finally, last thing we got is from Laura Lee herself, the Party Animal palette with those beautiful bright colors in it. And my friends, that's everything in this month's BoxyCharm Life of the Party. If you get BoxyCharm, let me know what you got in your box, because there are different variations of this box. As I mentioned earlier, I got variation number 5. So with different variations, we get different things. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm box for this month, all right? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Very important that you subscribe to my channel, because I am on the road to 1,000. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and I will let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. But you got to help me get there first. I need some help, all right? Share my video, thumbs it up, and all that good stuff. And leave comments so I can talk back to you guys, all right? All right, my friends, have a good weekend. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye. 넌 나고